Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how you're going to make $100 per day by teaching online, but without actually teaching online. Yes, this is possible to teach other people things online, but without actually doing the teaching. And I'm going to show you in this video how to do that, and it's going to be really fun, and this is going to be a way to make big money, guys. So I hope you pay attention to this video, and let's get started right now. So how is it possible to teach without actually teaching? Well, it is possible because we have sites like this. This is called Creative Live, okay? At creativelive.com. This is a site that offers tons and tons of classes and training for people to learn about various topics that they want to learn, okay? So depending on what you want to teach people without teaching, let's say you want to do photography, okay? Let's just use that as an example for this video. So let's say you want to do photography and you want to teach other people use photography, but not actually creating a course for people to learn from, okay? You don't need to actually create your own course to actually teach others, because you can just recommend these courses to other people and earn money this way. Yes, you don't actually have to teach people personally yourself. You just need to be interested in the topic that you're talking about, and then you could get other people interested in taking courses, photography courses, like on sites like Creative Live. And then you can use, so how will you make money recommending other, telling people about these courses? It is by using their affiliate program, okay? So if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find something called affiliate. Become an affiliate, or affiliates, or affiliate. On every website, there will be on the bottom either affiliate program, become an affiliate, or affiliates. Click on that, and then you're going to go to the affiliate program for this company, okay? That's if the company offers affiliate programs. And what affiliate programs are basically are programs that companies offer for you to promote their products or service to earn money from, okay? So in this sense that you don't need to actually create any courses to teach other people photography. You just need to recommend these photography courses to other people. So this saves you actually a lot of time, and you're just going to earn from people buying these courses, okay? So this is their affiliate program. So when you sign up and get your affiliate link, they're going to give you an affiliate link that is unique to you. That's how the sales will be tracked back to you, okay? So when you have an affiliate link, you can promote that affiliate link and say, hey, you could go to photography forums and see what people are asking about on those forums, and see, if one of these photography courses on here can help them with whatever they were asking, okay? So that's how you would recommend courses to other people and then earn commission. So if you were recommending, like, you see somebody on a photography forum asking about, certain photography tips on how to do something, and then you see a course on here that will directly show them how to do it, and say, hey, why don't you just check out this course, because they have it step by step to show you how it's done, and it's pretty easy, and the courses on here is actually not that expensive, like maybe $29, or it just ranges, it just depends on what it is. But you, as an affiliate, can earn 20% of the sale of your new customer sales. And if that person comes back to buy more, you can earn 10% on those sales, okay? And then for them to even just sign up to register, you get $1, okay, for not even making any sales. And then if you were to get other people to refer as well, you're going to get $10 for each affiliate referral that you're going to recommend and get other people to sign up. So you could earn a lot from the sites. This is just one example. So affiliate marketing, this business model is what I use, what I've been using since 2016, guys, okay? And this is how I earn affiliate commissions on a daily basis and earn a full-time income doing this. And for this particular site, like I use different affiliate programs, but there are affiliate programs by virtually any company that you find online these days usually will have an affiliate program already, okay? So you can shop for these, you could check out the courses here just so, oh, these are all $18, but you see there's some that are $99. It just depends on what you are going to be. Oh, see, there's like way higher price courses. So you're not just going to earn 20% on $18 a course. You could be earning 20% on a $159 course, okay? So there's going to be much more for you to earn if you just check out all these different courses, okay? So there's lighting 101, that there are things that are specific to things that people can learn, okay? So this is just one site. So this is more of an artsy type website or courses that you could earn or you could learn from, learn to do. So they're more like topics of like more artsy ones, okay? But there are other online courses sites, okay? Not just that one. Like this one. This was another one. It's called Udemy.com, okay? Udemy.com is another online course site. It has over 100,000 online courses, guys, and the categories are massive. Okay, this is just the top level, and then you could just keep scrolling down or drilling down to check out any of these courses, and they range from all different pricing as well. And they have an affiliate program. You just scroll down, see affiliate, you just go to affiliate to see how much you can earn with the program. Sometimes affiliate programs, you can see it on the website how it works, but sometimes you might need to sign up before you get all the details of how much it works. But majority of affiliate programs, they are free to join. They should be free to join, actually. If you have to pay to join, that's a red flag for me. So just be careful. We offer very competitive commission rates. The more you promote, the more you will earn. And as affiliate, you can have access to coupons and stuff like that that you can promote with. And it doesn't take you long to get approved. It takes just a few days to get approved, okay? So this is another option. And this has tons of courses, guys. Like this is one of the biggest online courses that you can actually use and find courses to promote. I mean, look at the different topics. It goes from like kind of business type topics to like everyday personal development, like any topic that you can think of, it's on here that you can learn about. Lifestyle, even pet grooming, look, like dog care. You could learn about dog care. So if you like the pet niche, you can teach people about pets, but then also say, hey, check out this course on Udemy if you want to learn more about how to train, pet training here. Here's a course on pet training you could pick up very cheap and whatnot. So you can say stuff like that and recommend these courses. Here's another site. It's called Skillshare, Skillshare.com. This is another site that you can go on to look for more courses. There's 24,000 courses on here. And these are kind of like the topics that you can find courses in, okay? So there are a variety here that people can learn from and actually build businesses based on, learning from these courses here. And on the bottom here, you can see, let's see, affiliates. See, you go here and then you can learn more about how to become an affiliate for Skillshare. For them, see, every single affiliate program is different, so you need to learn about every single one and read about it before you actually join, so you know exactly what you're earning before you join, okay? And because every program is different and it's catered to the individual company that is for, so you need to make sure you know all the ins and outs of how the affiliate program works for that particular platform you want to promote, okay? So if you really want to get into affiliate marketing, you guys should try to start where I started from. Remember, I started affiliate marketing in 2016, and this is the place where I started, which is Wealthy Affiliate, guys, okay? So at Wealthy Affiliate, they teach you step by step. They have 5 levels of courses where you can learn step by step how to build an affiliate marketing website, specifically how to build this business. So that's what Wealthy Affiliate specializes in, is to teach people like you and me how to build an affiliate marketing business. This is where I started from. I started here at 2016, and I'm still there because I now teach other people like you where to go. You need to start at this training here because it shows you exactly how to build this business where you can generate literally a full-time online income passively using this business model and using this method of building your affiliate business, okay? This is how you could generate a big income online and how you can earn passively with this business model. This is something that I've been using since 2016, and I really love it. Now, before you go anywhere and try to sign up, how to sign up is, first of all, you get started for free, okay, guys? You could check it out for free, and you don't need credit card to sign up as shown here, but you do want to see my face on here, though, okay? If you just go to wealthyaffiliate.com, you're not going to see my face, and then you're not going to sign up with me. And you do want to sign up with me because I am a super affiliate on this platform, and I can show you and guide you things that others can't. And because of my experience, I kind of know how the training works and how to apply it. So if you have any questions going through the training, it's very beneficial for you to have somebody like me in your corner and ask questions about. So in order for you to get my face on this platform, you need to use my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Okay, so if you click that link in the video description below, it's going to be the first link in the video description as well. You could just go there and click that link, and you will get to this page where you can see my face on it, guys, okay? And then you're going to get more information about how this platform works. I'm going to tell you more about it, and it's going to be great, guys, because this is basically a business model that really works, and this training is the training that I use. My website, workanywherenow.com, is a success story here. I used it to reach a super affiliate status on this platform, so I know I can help you. So use my link, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I hope I can see you on the platform and help you in your very near future online there on the platform at Wealthy Affiliate. So I hope you have learned something new in this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Alright, guys, so I hope you will check it out and sign up for free and see if you will make big money soon, guys. Alright, I will see you on the next video, hopefully. Bye.